Chris, what if the audience at home experience high water bill? What do you do?
Okay, if you get a high water bill and you don't see any visible leaks in the home, you want to go ahead and locate your water meter, which is in front of the property. It'll be labeled water. Okay, so you're going to open it up, pull out the cover, and you'll see the meter. If everything's off inside the house, you know you have a water leak because you'll see the dial spin.
Okay.
So you want to make sure all your fixtures are off.
Got it.
Before looking at this.
So the dial will keep spinning continuously.
Correct.
Got it.
So you're going to want to check to see if the leak is from here to the property line or inside the home. By doing that, you want to go ahead and shut off the valve going to the house. And I'll show you how to do that. By shutting this off, you notice that the meter stopped. So that's indicating that we do not have a leak from here to the water meter, which is a good sign. Go ahead and want to check to see if you have a leak inside. If you don't have a visible leak, you're going to want to, depending on the house you have, this house is a raised foundation, so you're able to crawl underneath the home to see if you have any puddles of water. If you have a slab, you want to go ahead and hire a leak detection company to locate the leak so you don't have to break up the concrete in your floors or kitchen or whatnot without knowing exactly where it's at.
And what does the leak detection company do? What do they do exactly?
So they pinpoint exactly where the water line goes underneath the slab. So we know exactly where to break up the concrete, wood, tile. So,
and they use, how do they pinpoint? They use a machine?
Yeah, it's a sonar machine. So they'll strap it onto the water line, and then they have a sonar sensor, and they'll detect exactly where the water's shooting at. Because most of the cases is you won't see the leak because it'll be going into the earth.